Hello and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. This time I'm growing some marigold flowers and I'm going to show you how I plant these seeds in this little greenhouse. And I'm going to show you how I do it. First I need to take out of the soil in the bottom half and the seeds. These are the seeds. I will show you them in a minute. First of all, I need to take the soil and put it in the bottom of the container. You have to have some soil left to put it on the seeds on top. Just push it down so it's nice and flat. Then I grab some water and I'm putting it all over the soil before I lay the seeds down, because that's easier, so I don't have to water them after. These are the seeds that I'm planting. They look like little sticks with different colors, but they bloom eventually. Now I'm going to put them on the soil. I'm doing about 2 or 3 centimeters apart from each other, but I'm going to separate these if they are growing good. So I want to put them in different places, so I need to spread it around a bit. I'm not using all of the seeds now. I have some leftovers, I guess. These are a lot of seeds, so I don't want to use them all. Just want a few. Just keep space in between the seeds so that it's nice for the plants to grow. Just spread it around. The leftover seeds I will use that later. And the leftover soil, we're gonna put that on top of the seeds. Just a little layer, not too much. And they're now all covered. Just push it down a bit now. And you're going to see the update video soon of this video. If you want to see that, keep watching. And I will put the lid on right about now because it needs a greenhouse on top of this one. I'm going to put this inside my house. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.